All right, so you've started building your website and now you want to sell products on it. So how do you do that? How do you create your first product and start selling through your website? It's actually very simple. If your template doesn't already include a store, simply click on the store button at the top next to the builder. This opens the store section. Here you'll find the dashboard orders products, discount store settings, layout options, payment processor integrations. Now let's create our first product. Go to the products section and click on add product. You'll now see several product types you can create: physical products, digital/downloadable products. Services memberships. Memberships are useful if you want to provide access to protected content such as videos, tutorials, courses, or recurring subscriptions. For this example, we'll create a physical product. First, enter a product name. Let's simply call it physical product for the sake of this example. Next, add a product description. You can include text, tags, formatting, and even additional widgets inside the description area if needed. Then set your price. For example, let's set the product price to $10. You can also configure sale pricing, stock availability, inventory tracking, or product visibility, additional product settings. To continue, you'll also need to assign the product to a category. You can create a new category by clicking the plus icon, but for this example, we'll simply use an existing category and click confirm. You also have the ability to create product variations, such as different sizes or colors, but we'll cover those features in more detail in another tutorial. Next, upload a product image by clicking on the image section, and that's it. Your first product is now created. Simply click save, and your product is ready to start selling. Now, before customers can purchase products, you'll need to configure shipping and payment processing. For physical products, you first need to create a shipping group. Inside the shipping settings, you can define shipping rules and costs based on order ranges, product amounts, or other conditions. For example, you can decide how much shipping should cost depending on the order total. Next, you'll need to connect a payment processor. The available options depend on which payment methods you want to support. For this example, we'll use bank transfer because it's an offline payment method and doesn't require additional integrations. So now we have a product shipping settings, a payment processor. Now let's actually display the product on the website. Go back into the builder and click on the plus icon to add a new widget. Select the store product widget and drag it anywhere onto your page. For example, let's place it here. By default, the widget displays the latest products in your store. In our case, we currently have 2 products, so both appear automatically on the page. Now, if the Add to Cart button is not visible, simply enable it from the widget settings. Once Add to Cart is enabled, you'll also need a cart widget on the page. Usually the cart is placed inside the website header. To add it, click the plus icon again and select the cart widget. And that's it, your cart's now added to the page. You can customize the cart styling as well. For example, let's change the cart icon color to white. Now let's preview the website. As you can see, the cart appears at the top, the products appear on the page, customers can click Add to Cart or open the product detail page. If a customer clicks Add to Cart, the item is added instantly. They can then use Quick Checkout. Open the cart, continue to checkout, complete the payment process. It's a very straightforward shopping experience. Now let's look at another useful feature. Instead of displaying all products, you can also link specific buttons directly to a product or checkout page. For example, if you have a promotional section highlighting a specific product, you can connect the button directly to that product. To do this, select the button, open the link settings, choose Store, select the product you want. For example, let's select the Yoga for Beginners product. You also have the option to enable Buy Now. When Buy Now is enabled, clicking the button sends the customer directly to checkout instead of adding the product to the cart first. Click Save and preview the page. Now, when users click the button, they are immediately redirected to the checkout page for that product. This makes the purchasing process much faster and improves conversions. You can also add a full storefront page to your website menu. To do that, open the menu settings, click Edit Menu, add a new menu item, select Store, choose Show All Products. Website, clicking the Store menu item will open the storefront page displaying all products along with filtering and layout options. And that's it. This is how simple it is to create your first product, configure shipping and payments, add products to your pages, create carts and checkout flows, link buttons directly to products, build a complete storefront on your website. Of course, there are many more advanced features available, such as store layouts, orders management discount codes, product variations, advanced shipping settings, and much more. But these are the basics you need to start selling products on your website. In the next video, we'll explore how to sell products through a sales funnel, one of the best ways to increase conversions for marketing campaigns and promotions. So stay tuned for the next tutorial.